All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and continue with the rest. We're just going to have a couple more tasks that we're going to talk about with our shape that we make in the coordinate plane. So the first one is I already have my plots QT already plotted, so I'm going to draw that line segment. And if you notice, it has just that line above, so it doesn't have those arrows to show that the line needs to keep going. So that's why I know that I'm only going to connect these and not have those arrows or go any further. So then it says to plot R, which R is going to be 2 and 6.5. And if I notice, there are those little half marks. So I'm going to go 2 and then 6.5, which is right there. I'm going to plot this, and I'm going to label it R. And I'm going to draw QR. Okay. And on this one, to explain how to get this, that I know that this is a right angle, is again, I'm going to be making those triangles, and as long as they are something that are equal, then it's going to be that right angle. So I know that my, I can come over here, and this is going to be, my height is going to be 1, 2, 3, and if I do the same thing here, 1, 2, 3, and then I know that this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's those 90-degree angles, and then this is going to be that 90-degree angle. So I do know that why this is a right triangle is because I'm able to create these two triangles in it while I am kind of sliding them around, okay? Then it says compare the coordinates QT and, Q and T. So let's go ahead and do Q and T, and let's write this. So Q is 3.5 and 4. T is 6 and 5.5. And basically what it wants me to know, what is the difference between my x coordinates? So the difference between my x coordinates, if I look at this 3.5 to 6.5, if I take 6 minus 3.5, that's actually going to be 2.5 difference. Okay, and then on here, my y coordinate, what's the difference here? It's going to be a 1.5 difference. Okay, that's all I was doing, was just comparing this. So actually, if I wanted to continue plotting some more lines to maybe make this a little bit longer, I can follow this pattern to be able to kind of find some more points that would be on the line. Then it says compare the coordinates QR. So I'm going to have Q again, which is 3.5 and 4. And now I'm going to do R, which I already know that R is 2 and 6.5. Okay, what's the difference of the X? So the X is, let's see here, when I look at this, it's a 1.5 difference. And my Y, the difference is from 4 to 6.5.